Good afternoon, good afternoon. Hello guys. Hello Anas, hello. Hello guys. Potential long. I'm looking at German 40. It looks very nice for a long because it's a rate of London session, market shift already. Also looks look really nice on 15 minute. Gold. Asian low rate here. And first shift. Watching this area right now. Also here. Thank you. Around like this area, you might see like reversal, and target will be this high. So this is a potential trade, but I'm kind of worried about like these lows. No, I'm not worried at all. Yeah, just like what's SMT here. So I'm not worried at all. Now this is gonna be like potential trade, something like this. I'm just waiting. Long here, guys, by the way, along in this area. We'll see how it will play out. I trade what I think is the best for me. I won't trade anything that you want. If you want to trade gold, just go to trade gold. I don't like price action on gold right now. I don't like it. If I don't like it, why should I trade it? I gave my analysis. So right now you can long it, for example, because it's a long structure. I like an Q here. Gold is nice too, but I don't want to trade it. I'm already in the trade on Nasdaq. Once again, you can, like, I won't like trade what you want, guys. I trade what I want. It's completely your choice. Follow my calls or not. I have a question. Why XAU USD? Like, why only this? Why not something else? Yesterday I took like gold trade. I took like this one. I took like this trade on gold. So I could have taken it too. Like, I just don't understand it. Like, why XAU USD? Can you explain like why? I just want to know. Like, that's it. I'm just curious. Like, I've been seeing like a lot of messages like this about XAU USD. I'm just like curious right now. Nothing more. Yeah, I just like I just like wonder like why gold has like shitty PR, like perception. Ideally, like gold should just go like up from here, just like keep pumping like crazy till previous daily high because of this structure, but it doesn't do it. Have to wait most likely. Like gold is not magical instrument, guys. It's shit instrument, to be honest. At least like euro printing. Yeah, I'm out from NQ. I'm waiting a bit. Нет. Still waiting in queue, didn't get out, and euro moved my stop. Actually, fuck it, I moved my stop limit entry on euro. Okay, euro at break even, so just like waiting. Waiting for NQ. Yeah, like no rules on gold. It's extremely hard, like because I've been trading gold for a long time. I'm out from euro here, from this one. Minus 25. Not interested in this trash. So like I've been trading gold for a long time. I've been trading gold all this range since probably even earlier. Yeah, since 2022. And I have like track record. I had win rate around like 80% on the gold. On high time frames around like 90%. So I was very accurate with it. And yeah, every single trade on gold I had, like most of them, I've been right, like at least like 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk rewards, so like every zone like play out perfectly. But after rally that's been like in December, it became like super chaotic. Go has low fees, but Nasdaq and other indexes had like even lower fees than gold, and they're more technical than gold. Most likely we're gonna wait for market opening. Maybe we'll see some manipulation on Q to take out all this liquidity, and then yeah, test this 15 minutes fair value gap, this one, and then price will keep going high to this high and this gap. I think this is like what we will see on Q. Yeah, you see, maybe like, but the problem is, by opening trade, like, for example, this one, I have to set the target. Maybe 1-to-1, okay, but agent high is a nice target. But the problem with it, I don't know if it gets there. It can just literally reverse right now after taking this liquidity and go down, because we still have some liquidity left. This one, and we have previous daily low as well. This is what I'm worried about, like when trade gold. Waiting for market opening and this like 5-minute candle closure. We'll see how it's gonna be. Waiting for now. Okay, I'm in. Like this. The euro cost might take profit. I'm out from euro, so 1.3%. Top limit on Nasdaq. Looks like it's gonna be that day, guys. Okay, let's wait for London low, and let's wait for previous daily low. Yeah, looks like it's gonna be low too. This order block is like hold, like pretty strong. This move upwards, and we got reaction outside of this order block. Unfortunately, like our audit trade like play out perfectly. From the morning. but with a regional stop here. You see, like, high time frames are more important. Looks like we will see previous daily low on Q. You see just how gold like reacts. Literally just randomly like reverse, and you have to jump between time frames to find like why it reversed, because of like some order block, weekly open, etc, etc. Yeah, like this buy to sell, this one. It was very low here already. It's kind of weird to me that it's a range, that's why. Yeah, this is a range. It can just like reverse any moment, to be honest. One wall free, what? Hello? Probably didn't see a stream from London. Yeah, you're right. So much liquidity. You're right. So much liquidity. So much liquidity. You're right. But a bit wrong, a bit with direction. How do you like in this area, guys? That's it. Period. If it's gonna reverse here, it's just gonna be like crazy. Short term. So your first MS gonna be here. This one. If we get there, like bounce, something like this, then yeah. But in general, it's only short. Well, I don't care about my crypto portfolio, to be honest. Just don't care. The thing about crypto, it will, like, if you read my post, my analysis, I said like first 1 to like 5 days at the beginning of the month will be wild, so it will be manipulation, and mainly on BTC. So if BTC goes down, as a result, this shit just will reverse here, and as a result, rest guys will go down. So rest alt. So just painful to watch. Think about it this way. Liquidity here. Came into this firmware gap. Here, it's gonna be insane, and looks like it's going to reverse here. Oh, yeah, just painful to watch. Didn't hit previous daily low. Maybe we'll find something that can help us. Yeah, like price action, like ass, guys. This is fucking SMT. Yeah. So regardless, this how to say this in more polite way, guys who've been manipulating the market, like market maker, who controls like the market with liquidity, etc., they basically don't care what we want, and they don't care like where to open or close their position. Best example today on NQ, this one. If you remember, I said like we're gonna go down around like this area, but it was like too risky to open position. We left like the equal highs, so it's like liquidity, right? And most likely, if you're like a normal trader, you expect something like this and then move downward. But what happened, they moved down, took liquidity, went up, back around here, went up without taking liquidity here, without taking this equal lows, went up, took Asian high, went down, made some manipulation, like first 3 minutes of manipulation, and then what happened? Price like went further. I mean, like you see, it's a lot of manipulations, and it doesn't matter for market maker. Market maker doesn't care when he needs to close his position. He can hold, and big funds, they can hold their positions for a long period of time because they trade on high time frame, right? These big guys, they don't care what will happen inside of the day. Yeah, I know like a lot of like central banks, they've been building position like almost like 3 years here. 3 years. And like on average they and they have average open price, average one. Average open price around like 1.8. And just like think, like 1.8, they up 40%. And we're not talking about like our like, even so 100k. At 100k it's like pretty big amount for most of the guys. I think most people who will be watching my streams have like from 1 to like 100k top. Maybe like we have some millionaires, but I don't think so. So we're talking about like billions of dollars, because imagine you have a position like 50, like 100 billion dollars, and for over you've been doing it like 3 years, consolidating like this position, doing average like position like for 3 years or for 2 years. And yes, we consider inflation, let's say like even like 5%, like 10%, right? So you put like $50 million, you down like 10% because of inflation, and then it went up almost like 50%. You, even with inflation, you up around like $40 billion on this like one position within a year. Yeah, of course you're gonna close this position. I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty confident that we will see like big like range on gold too. It's gonna be like consolidation or it will be distribution. Then price will go down. This is interesting part about like trading and understanding like what who market maker is, how like market works in general. Like, do you like even know how but like you press like market order or like limit order, you don't know how it works and why sometimes like you have like big drop and your order won't be taken by this drop. Sometimes it's even been taken here. Do you know like this mechanic about the market? Do you like know how it works in general? Very interesting. This is how it's, and this is like very important to like for understanding about like mechanic of the market. Like I also read guy I've been following, he's been like trading like for 14 years. He is good in like fundamental analysis, and he said that like just first of all, guys, what do you think is like more important like in trading, like psychology, technical analysis, like fundamental analysis, what else, and or discipline? Like this like four, you can write like in order from like the most important to the to not important. Do you can like I don't understand your question, sorry. Because can you, I don't understand, sorry. Can you like rewrite question, please? It will help me a lot. Spot. How's the prices? No, it's like it doesn't make any sense because order book you like if I place my limit order, you will see it in order book, right? I can cancel it. I can cancel it at any moment. And what is gonna be next? What's gonna be next? I can cancel it any moment. This is a beauty like about like order book. I can cancel this shit any moment. Jesus Christ. Yikes. It's illegal. And what? Please Google the best like trader right now. This woman has like a lot of insider trading, and no one does anything to help. All her best trades are inside trades. Just Google about her, and you will see result. You will be surprised. Psychological discipline, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. When? You missed like one big point. It was a little bit tricky question. You should have said what how long you're gonna hold position, what period. So if we're talking about long-term like investments, fundamental is gonna be like first, then technical analysis is gonna be like second, discipline and psychology will gonna be the last, because I don't remember her name. Just Google. She's like one of the best traders in our time. She made the biggest profit on the stock market. It's stock market. I don't remember her like name. Okay. If we're talking about intraday, I don't think fundamental plays like any role at all. Like fundamentally, Audi like extremely powerful. You see, it it goes down, not that quick as euro, British pound. For day trading, yes, but guys that like I've been like following has like around like 15,000 subscribers or so. I don't. He's just good like in crypto, and he's Russian, so he's good like in crypto and like fundamental part. But it's so funny to see him like to try when he tried intraday trading. It was fun to watch. Yeah, I fucking knew it, guys. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Little cunt. It will go up. I fucking knew it. Maybe crypto will go up here, guys. Like, I don't know. I don't know. But you see, like Wolfrey, you have first shift only here. This is first shift on Audi. I wanna NQ around like this area. I want to see it here. Linda Brentford. Yeah, Linda, this one. Let's Google him. She's like, she's married to someone or something like this. So she has a lot of but she's like more like technical, like she more like fundamental. It's like Warren Buffett. Like Warren Buffett. He does the same shit. Mm. Read about her, it's kind of interesting. How long is here, guys? Let me see my exact entry. Like this. Long term is nice. Long term is nice when you have money and you're not bound to like do anything. When you have money behind you, it's like way easier to trade like this. I mean, like long term. I think it's even in Q will go down to take out all this liquidity. German 40 will go down too. You see daily open and agent high. Gold can easily go down right now. Okay. Previous daily low on euro, but most likely it will gonna be previous month monthly low. Let's see. Great. Can move my stop here. Motherfucker went up without me. This is painful to watch. By the way, guys, if you're watching us from TikTok, I cannot unfortunately read chat. I would love to, but I can't. My problem is that my strategy doesn't work. Yes, it's completely fine, just trade like one market. You ideally have to trade one market. You don't need to trade anything else. You just don't need to trade like multiple markets. Smart money concept assumes that we have some kind of market maker, some person or like organization that controls the market, right? This is like the smart money concept. So they have like one guy who controls like everything. One sec. I might close German phone. Yeah. Out. Break even. So we have this concept that like one guy or one organization controls like everything, right? So that one guy controls everything. I didn't wanna close German 40 because Nasdaq came here and they relate. So one person controls everything, and they hunt in liquidity to fill their position to make some profit, because they cannot just simply fill their position because like it's such a like great and big positions, right? So this is like basically smart money concept. What you can do, just get some a little bit of money from this big of these big guys. How are you doing it? You like applying this concept on your working chart. It doesn't matter what time frame we're working, because principles will be the same. It's just basically hunting liquidity from one liquidity to like another one. And you have a global context. Like if you look in a chart, for example, I think BTC is the best example, like especially like to me, because crypto mostly it's a volume and liquidity. You have like high time frames. What you have like on this high time frames? You have this is range, like it's like more wide, to be honest. What happened here, like when price like went down? It was like consolidation. So big players, because a lot of people been afraid that BTC will go to zero, people been afraid. Big players like buying. Look at this volume. Look at like volume. What these guys can hide is the volume. That's why like on the crypto, volume spread analysis is just more accurate than anything else. And you will see that like most of the volume, like this blue line is from blue to green, been consolidating on the bottom. This is like vertical spread analysis. No, not vertical, like volume spread analysis. So 70% of the volume that's been traded in this range for almost a year, consolidated on the bottom. So big players, and look at the amount of volume. Look at volume. Look at this crazy volume. You haven't seen such volume like anywhere else. Like you see, all volume is here. So big players they've been buying a lot here because a lot of people been selling. It calls iceberg. Like the strategy calls iceberg. When you have like a lot of money, what you're usually doing, you just like set orders to buy like a specific area, but people cannot see amount. So like you cannot just like set I buy 100 BTC. No, order keep refreshing, and you have amount of money on your account, and it's like keep refreshing, and you keep buying and buying and buying. So you usually see like 1 BTC, like half BTC, like something like this, and you've been like buying, and people cannot see that you're buying. they just simply cannot see that like such a like one big player is buying something. They cannot see it. This is the beauty of it, because you always like you have money, but you're not setting limit orders, because like most of the people, they looking at order book. They see like, like at this price, like we have a lot of limit orders, so this is a huge support zone, etc. No. And like you just like applying like smart money concept, you have important like thing like as a structure and liquidity. you have like downtrend, then you have a market shift. This is your first market shift. Applying like volume plus smart money, market shift, and then you have both on a daily time frame. Like, and you just been buying. I remember I've been buying and telling people to buy around like here. And I remember I bought on the bottom, then sold here, and then bought a shit ton of BTC around like this area. And what happened then, you can see. This is just applying smart money concept. Like smart money concept, it's we have a big guy, controls the market and runs like liquidity. Here you go. Best example. You just like adding volume to it. On low time frames, like best like strategies that I use, and you probably heard like many times, like shit ton of videos on YouTube. It's like it calls like turtle soup. Yesterday it was an amazing day for this like strat. No, it wasn't Monday. It wasn't Monday. There you go. There you go. Two entries. It's been like 2 entries. First shift, second shift, entry. First shift, second shift, entry. And like, let's say we hold this position for quite some time. I just like want to show you what you could have achieved just by holding this position. 1 to 15 risk reward. Just applying smart money concept like to this position. To like high time frames. Like there you go. And use the Fibonacci to yeah, it went like a little deep, didn't take it. This was my concern, and I decided just to stay and wait to see like what's gonna happen. But overall, that's how it works. Smart money concept like works there, but you have to add something like pure smart money. I don't know, like for me it doesn't work. Maybe I'm dumb. I'm just dumb and don't understand something. Like I like I've been talking this Miss Gold. And the most important in smart money is just trend. And then trading in general. All you have to do, and you will have like, even if you're dumb as fuck, right? Let's say you just like dumb. You don't understand like anything. You like understand, okay, we have downtrend. Like it's obviously here is downtrend, right? What I can do, okay, I can use Fibonacci and just open position every time when like on Fib it hit 0.5 and set stop for high, and my target is gonna be like nearest liquidity 1 to 2. Okay. Here it's a bit more complicated, like this story. It's like more complicated. When it was like uptrend, like same story. You just long, like you just like wait for 0.5 to be tested, like even in high time frame. You long it from 0.5. If you add in like a bit, yeah, that's interesting. Yes, you can see it in volume. Like volume is just like buy and sells. That's it. Volume just buy and sells. It doesn't provide like any other information. Only who bought and who sell, and like how much money they spent. Because they want to make money, man. Like my biggest amount that I've been managing like was like more than like 20 million. I remember like first time I've been opening position on Amazon. I moved price by like 0.5%. Just by clicking, just going full in, it's just 0.5% move. You simply just don't have enough liquidity. You simply don't have enough liquidity, and because like my guy who like I've been working for, he said to me, yeah, like trade on like 1 minute, like 5 minutes, I don't care, because he didn't expect it to. And then we like moved on high time frames, like 4 hours daily time frames. So you just simply don't have liquidity. Like when you trade in like pennies, I'm talking about like even like up to like few $1,000,000. You won't move like price at all. But when you hello Ritik, hello. But when you have like more money, like we're talking about hundreds of millions, I'm talking about like stock market right now, you're gonna move price pretty well, and you need if you don't want to squeeze, so you don't want to like big spread, and you want to have like good, better to start building the position. Start building your position if you're big guy in like important areas. Best example, it was on Nvidia. It was October 23rd, this one. So it was previous monthly low. So it was like this equal lows rate, and look at this daily. Like not much volume, right? But look at this. So market, this is a range. In this range, position been built for quite a while. Inside of the big guys, they've been building because it's like Nvidia in an uptrend. So every drop opportunity is a buy opportunity. So, but this is a bit expensive, in my opinion. This one too. February, April, like, yeah. Take the liquidity, went up. Take liquidity, went up. Even so, you can see the same pattern on low time frames. Short on the euro, like for example. This like my short on euro, like off stream. Like you see, it took liquidity, and at the beginning of New York session, and went down, because we need like some liquidity before going to like direction. On a Q, for example, you see, like we build it goes buy to sell. So bye guys. Not like no, I don't have like any open trade. I miss Nasdaq and I'm like very upset about it. Very upset. Yeah, it's like better to sit out. But Euro gave like really nice trades. Not gonna lie. I could have just like held this position and just make 6 like more than like $1,200. I haven't seen like really nice like turtle soup. I haven't seen like what pure smart money concept. Like best my strategy. I haven't seen it for a while. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Yeah, maybe this one. Maybe, yeah. But who knows? We're in the middle of range right now, so in the middle of nowhere. German 40 looks nice for long, but it's extremely risky. So. And it can literally reverse here. Like price action on German 40 like recently is not great at all. Let's check like what we have today. Total. So minus 0.6%. Yesterday we've been up 6.7%. Today minus 0.6%. And this week so far, 8.7%. So even so, like when market like this, nothing you can do except just wait. Yes, that was a great day for trading today. Nah. Gold can nuke till this area or go lower. Yeah, previous monthly low probably is the target, guys. It's gonna be like final target. And I don't think it will like reverse at all. Just slowly keep going down, maybe. Not much action today, unfortunately. Yeah, looks like my trade on German 40 was right. A little bit closer at it. Oh, I'd break even. But this fucking price action is so bad, guys. And we have second shift in other hand. So it can go higher, but we have like 1 hour fair value gap here. This one. And we have downtrend. So if you wanna scalp, yeah, go ahead. You can do it, but this is extremely risky. This is what I've been talking about. You can just like randomly just go down without any explanation. Okay, so right now, this is what I've been waiting for. Like gold, or gold will bounce right here, right now. So, but I mean, like within like 5 to 10 minutes, or it will go lower to like my. It is it. I draw. No, draw, drew that I drew. In the morning. Quite simple. Quite simple. But it's been like 1-to-1 trade on German 40, but as you can see, up and down, so. Have 1 hour candle. Oh, this is strong. Yeah, it's probably previous monthly low on the euro for sure. Maybe we'll see some bounce. German 40. Have no idea. Nasdaq definitely will go higher. Rebalance this area for before next move further. Like literally no zones. It just like follows Nasdaq. But at least Nasdaq makes some sense. Like tested like 0.5. Touches this fair value gap. Yeah. This inverse fair value gap, this one. And went further up. At least it makes some sense. I'm not in the trade, guys. I'm not in the trade. I'm looking right now. Fine. Wow, this is such a porn. Okay. Like you see, this is just something. was huge order block on high time frames. Let's hope it will pay out. Mhm. Okay, what do we have? Still a bit lower, guys. Gold a bit lower. Formation will be breaking above this high. Also, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the stream. If you would love to see like more streams like this, please call someone and ask to give like nice price action. Because if you check yesterday's stream, we made a shit ton of money and almost took an amazing short on NQ with 1 to 10 risk reward. Almost took it. Applied, of course, but I didn't take it, unfortunately. Like this one, but it's not a trade. It's just like porn. Let me see like what news we have tomorrow. Also check link below in the description and visit our website fluxchart.com. You can find a shit ton of information there. We'll see like next like 40 minutes how this 1 hour candle close, so it's the only way. The only way, guys. Well, this is interesting right now. a bit here. But it guys suggest I just like can't stream it. It's like this. I just can't stream it, unfortunately. Just impossible. Scalp opportunity like when we hit important liquidity. Okay. This is like fast scalping, guys, by the way. If you scalping, like such zones will always give some reaction. It's the inverse fair value gaps. Very important on indexes. But most likely price will go higher. Yeah. Oh, maybe eventually German 40 will hit my target after ages. Yep. Yep. This would have been my trade. A bit bold, but it has some ground behind it. But looks like it will go up. Looks like it. For gold, have to wait how this like 1 hour candle will close. So we'll have to wait 30 minutes. If it's gonna close like this, it's fine. You see, like order block was a bit like larger than I expected. But have to wait like 1 hour. If it's gonna close like this, most likely price will keep going higher. But this like 1 minute candle closed literally below this fair gap, so it means bearish. But wait right now, because momentum in general and trend in general like bullish. Well, idea behind German 40 trade was right, at least. My idea on BTC, it's a weekly time frame. Yeah, but my analysis was really good on this one. Tesla 3%. That's why. Sun is over, guys. It means I've been streaming almost like 3 hours. Unfortunately, day is not that great. We don't have like a lot of activity. It's fine. You don't need to trade like every day. You don't need to win every day. We minus 0.6% or so, which is like nothing compared to our like profit in this week, which is like more than 8%. We'll have like day tomorrow and Friday to make like some profit or lose all our money, which is fine too. We have like 8% buffer, so keep in mind, trading is not only about like winning, it's about losing too, and you have to be okay with these losses. You have to be fine with losses. Don't forget to check link below in the description. We have plenty of good product, price action toolkit, SFX Algo, with right risk management and good like take profit strategies. You can make good amount of money on it. Win rate like I tested it, my win rate was about like 60 to 60 to like 80%. Depends depends on the day. So yeah, you can try it out. Have 20% off, use code Flux or a stream on fluxchart.com. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and see you guys tomorrow at the same time. I'm gonna be strong in London session and then like New York session like today.